video on my completed but temporary ignition starter switch for my 61 Impala. Alright, got it on eBay, like I already told you, $23 to the door. Yellow wire is going to represent power. It's not fused, but I will have it fused. I have a wire relay hooked up with an inline fuse to that. Let's check it out. This is going to represent my starter motor. So, there you go. And what I'm going to do is when I'm driving, I'm turning that off because I don't want to see the red lights, and then it'll no longer engage the starter motor. These will be run separately, off wire relays if I need them. And if I don't, I'll just wire power separately. I got it hooked up right here on the back. It's just for the lights. Okay, this is just for the lights. Got an inline fuse. It's going to go to my fuse box. That when I turn my ignition on, it'll activate that. All right. That obviously is a jumper over to the starter only for the lights. These are the grounds. Must have them grounded to make the lights work. All right, the starter toggle switch is in two parts. This is the part right here. You're going to have a hot wire coming in, and the one going out is going to go to 86 on your wire relay. All right, here's how I wired up my switch. Here's the diagram. Pretty self-explanatory. I want the power to come on when the key of my vehicle comes on. That way you just can't push the starter, flip the toggle switch, and activate the starter. If you got any other questions, I'd probably watch someone else's video. All right, I could take this and jump these three to power those toggle switches, but if I'm going to put a 25 amp fan blowing on that, and a 10 amp wiper motor, and 10 amp lights, then this fuse is going to have to be 45 or 50 amp. I ain't having that. So I'll just wire those separately and use them separately. All right, here's where I'm going to mount it in my dash of my 61 Impala. A little modification, and I'll be able to get all three switches in there.